Method Statements is a vital document for anyone in construction management. It is a roadmap of a contractor for executing tasks safely and efficiently. A method statement details everything from project specifics to the step-by-step procedures for each task. It outlines the materials and equipment needed, the sequence of work, and crucial safety measures to protect your team. You'll also find risk assessments that identify potential hazards and strategies to mitigate them, ensuring a safer work environment. Plus, it addresses environmental considerations and quality control to maintain high standards throughout the project. The method statement is prepared by the contractor and submitted to the consultant for their review and approval. After approval, it becomes an integral part of construction documents and provides guidelines for everyone involved in that particular work. By following a well-prepared method statement, contractors not only enhance safety and quality, but also streamline operations, making your construction project a success.